Hello students, this is a tutorial on how to register mentors for the upcoming semester. Discover the step-by-step process of enrolling mentors and preparing for a successful semester ahead.
How to log in. Here we go. After clicking on the link provided by our institution, then you will redirect it into a page like this, and then use the username and password given by our college and hit login. How to update your profile. Alright, let's see. Once you log in, you'll see your learner profile, your register number, your year, and current mentor details will be displayed by default. And this is a sample profile. You can also change your mentor by clicking this option. But to start, you should update your profile. So click on it. Once you're on the update profile page, your name, register number, year, and email will already be filled in. Just add your mobile number. Here I'm giving a sample number, and choose your field of interest. I have given ML and AI. Then, describe yourself. Here I'm typing I am a dedicated ML engineer. Please share your GitHub and LinkedIn profile URLs by filling in the provided blanks. Here I have given some samples. After filling everything, click on the Update Profile button. Oops, where did I go wrong? Alright, as you can see I entered only a 9-digit number here. No issues, let's fix it. After giving a valid mobile number, update your profile. How to change mentor? Let's take a look. Go back to the previous page, but remember, you can only switch mentors after updating your profile. Once you've done that, click on the Change Mentor option. After clicking, you'll reach a new page where a list of mentors will appear. There's a sample profile here, named Sita. Note that available slots are determined by your study year. For example, as a third-year student, there is one slot available for me. Click on the View Profile option and you'll see your mentor's details, including their field of interest, description, since this is a sample profile. Such things are not filled. In addition to that, you can also see their email, GitHub, and LinkedIn profiles. From there, you can send a mentorship request. Here, the list of learners' enrolled profiles will appear. Cool, right? Now I'm clicking Request. Once you click, you'll reach a page where you explain why you're withdrawing from Mr. Arjun's session and why you want to join Ms. Sita's session. Note that the withdrawal reason is only visible to higher officials, while Ms. Sita can see your reason for wanting to join her session. After providing reasons for withdrawing from my previous mentor and expressing interest in a new mentor, proceed by clicking on the Request for Change option. Now, you'll get a pop-up to continue the process. Hit OK. Now the acknowledgement pop-up will appear. Click on OK again. Hooray! Your request has been successfully sent. You can also withdraw your request by clicking this. How to change mentor priority list. You can freely send mentorship requests to multiple mentors and use the Move Up and Move Down options to set their priority with just a click. After completing all the process, click on the Finalize Approval and exit. Alright, things are finalized. Now you can check your mentor on profile page. Currently, Mr. Raja is updated as your mentor as per your priority. Remember, to become his mentee, you must wait for him to accept your request. Additionally, the higher official needs to approve the request for the mentorship to be finalized.